All right, ancestors of the highest light coming through to talk to you. If you found yourself here, hi, my name is Melissa. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, glad to have you back. Glad to have you back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome in. So, the ancestors are coming through right now and saying there is a shift in your intentions and the way that you are showing up right now. I'm honestly feeling masculine presence coming through. Yeah, like fathers, grandfathers, uncles, brothers, just masculine spirit guides, masculine ancestors. Some of you have friends. Okay, thank you. Masculine friends coming through. They're saying there's a mirroring effect happening in your life right now. Okay, so let's talk about this. There's a mirroring effect happening in your life. You are learning how to surrender to the creative flow within you, how to trust yourself, how to honor your boundaries, how to speak up on them. There's a level of seeing your value and your worth in this. And there is a mirroring effect happening in your life, is what they're saying. Meaning, this shift, you're about to see the internal shift that you've been doing, you're about to see externally. Some of you might quite literally be changing things about your physical appearance right now. They're highlighting the fact that I decided to my hair was actually this color when I was born, by the way. I just put in a little bit of a conditioner with a stain in it to like spruce it up. I was born a ginger. I was born a strawberry blonde, but my mom says at 12 months old, around a year old, I turned platinum blonde. So I decided to change my hair right now with where I'm at, where I'm going in my life. So there's an emphasis right now on you as well changing something within your external appearance or your external world or how you're doing things, how you're showing up. That is also connected to this internal shift that you've been going through, this healing that you've been doing. You've been very, very patient with yourself, is what they're saying. You've been very patient with yourself as you've been navigating really heavy, really dark, really deep emotions coming up, traumas that you've gone through as a child and also in your past lives. You've been very patient with yourself. You've been very patient with the process. You've been really learning how to cultivate home within yourself, despite your circumstances, despite whatever is going on around you. You have been learning how to create home within yourself. We do not consent to energetic manipulation or distraction spirits. Thank you, thank you. There's something going on about making sure to keep your energy hygiene protected, making sure to stay clear and grounded and regulated. I do have courses available on my website to support your spiritual awakening, to support your spiritual journey. So I recommend checking out the Talking to Spirit Masterclass, which has some protection tools in it, or my Remember course, which is on sale right now, that has my Reiki training bundle, my Talking to Spirit Masterclass, as well as exclusive workshops that you can only get inside of the Remember course. I highly recommend checking it out if you feel called to some, additional support. But there's a strength coming through right now. Your ancestors, the protection around you, strength coming out. Your ancestors saying, like, you have been needing to really protect yourself from certain shadows that have been coming up for you, people that maybe brought these shadows out within you. You've been needing to take care of yourself, is what they're saying, and turn inward. So let's slow down the energy, y'all. Thank you. The momentum was picking up a little too fast. Remember, you control the way, not control, but you navigate the flow of the current of events that take place in your life. You do not need to, there's a, aligned and regulated, needing to stay grounded and regulated in your body. I have that available on my website as well. Everything is linked in my description. It's a free masterclass, Aligned and Regulated. But just making sure to, loosen your grip, let go of control, let God in, let God take you to where you need to go right now. listening to your inner authority, to your connection to your intuition and your connection to God. Because you're about to be taken somewhere that you did not expect to be taken. Now, this could literally be a emotional place, like a place of confidence within yourself, a place of love and acceptance within yourself. But you might literally be taken to a new place that you did not expect to be at. You thought maybe you were supposed to go here, but God's like, actually, I want you here right now. And you're releasing control on how you thought it was supposed to go. You're like, wait a minute, I actually want you here. This is the way the timeline is meant to unfold. But there's a necessary need of making sure to stay grounded, aligned, and regulated, and your energy clear so that you can understand the guidance that is coming through you. I also want to remind you there is no wrong way to go. It can delay some things if you make a turn too soon. You get what I'm saying with this analogy? It can delay some things, but there is no wrong way to go. You will always learn exactly what it is that your soul is meant to learn and experience. But there is something coming through around needing to reevaluate your circumstances, keeping your connection within yourself, listening to yourself, clearing your energy, staying connected to the divine, and listening to what messages come through. Because there's something about the next couple of weeks, major transformation and shifts are happening for you that you did not expect. But you had a feeling of anticipation that it was coming. Okay. This is your confirmation that you're exactly where you're meant to be. Confirmation bark from a dog out there. To take it slower, to ground your energy, take care of your nervous system and your well-being. Stay protecting your energy, stay protecting yourself. I actually have on my Instagram, I put out a way that you can with your words. But like I said, check out the Remember course or Talking to Spirit if you really need some extra tools. The stuff that I put inside of there is fucking amazing. Go check it out to support you. Your confirmation, thank you, Spirit. You're at your confirmation that you are exactly where you're meant to be. And in the next couple of weeks, there is a series of events and a turning taking place because of the inner turning of events that have happened within you. Take this however this resonates, and how this resonates with you, this message, how it's coming through. It's kind of like a riddle too. It's kind of fun. I love the energy here. Okay, some coyote energy coming through, wolves, grizzly bears, coyotes, wolves, grizzly bears, eagles, cats. Meow. Yeah, so if you would like to dive deeper in a personalized reading, I have the sale event going on right now for personalized readings. My private sessions are already filled up for this month of May. Depending on when you're watching this, go check out and see if there's a spot available if you want a private session. But if you just want a reading, check out the personalized reading offer that I have. And I would be honored to channel a message and to connect with you deeper. Okay, I send you so much love and support on your journey. We send you so much love and support on your journey. And we'll see you in the next aligned channeled message for you. Goodbye for now.